Hey everyone, after you're done adding sounds, you're essentially done, but as a cool added bonus to your game, this is something that you can do to add an effect to the clothes and also give you a little bit more space, because as you notice, as you keep creating more and more items, you start running out of space to be able to put them all and be able to use them. So, what you're going to do is, we're going to do this for the first sprite together, and then all you need to do is repeat this process for all your other clothes and accessories for your player. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into looks and add a set size to 100. And we're going to add this to the top. I'm going to set mine to half of what it actually is. Okay, so I'm going to make it 50. And you guys can play around with it. Make sure it's just not too small. You still want to be able to see it. And you also want to make it easy for the players to be able to click and drag it onto your player. So I have this at 50. I'm going to add another set size at the bottom of both of these. Right here, and I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. So when it's touching my actual player, that's when I want the actual full size so that it fits. If it's not touching my player, I want it to stay the original size, which is 50. Okay. Now, when I click on my green flag, click on play, you can see that now my shirt got a lot smaller, so that's perfect. Now another thing you'll probably need to do is update where it is, so I'll probably want to move it somewhere else. So let's say maybe I want to move it here now that I have more space. I'm going to click on stop. I'm going to drag my shirt. Once it's on the spot that I want, I'm going to have to update this go-to block. So now this is 51. And my y is negative 113, and I want to do that over here as well. So 51, negative 113, and I need to do it right here as well. 51, negative 113. So now that I'm done updating the new position, I'm going to click on my green flag, click on play. Here's the new position of my shirt, and as you can see, it's small, but once I drag it on my player, it goes back to being big, and then when I drag it away, it goes back to being small. Okay, so you can go ahead and repeat this process for all your article of clothing. And for your accessories, this way, 1, you have more space to add stuff. 2, you have a cool effect on the clothes, so it makes it even more fun to do. And it just gives you more options to be able to create more and not limit yourself.